Hi, my name is Susan Ritchie and welcome to HEP Food Services. We are a vertically integrated service provider of high-pressure processing and co-packing solutions. One of the main reasons that we started HPP is because we really wanted to help customers who had a vision, who had an idea. We want to be the solution that takes the raw materials and goes all the way through the process to finished goods so that they can focus on selling their products to the retailers. Through our 3 SQF and BRC certified facilities, we are able to process over 50 million units of products annually. We use HPP because we believe in the technology and we think it is the best method to safely and naturally preserve food and beverage products without using heat. With the hyperbaric HPP technology, it has been a key factor in allowing our customers to develop safe, clean label products with extended shelf life. We're able to process all types of food and beverage products, including cold-pressed juices, baby foods, dips, salsas, meats, and ready-to-eat meals. Our mission is to provide assistance to the customer who wants to provide a high-quality product to the final consumer. We do that through consulting with them on the type of packaging, on how to get to the right recipe that would create a product that would be optimum for taste, for food safety, and for the highest quality. What we would be considered as a full-service solution. From co-manufacturing to HPP, HEP Food Services can handle it all while you're focused on growing your food business.